Hello everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I will tell you about my evening routine. I will speak very slowly and very clearly. This lesson is perfect for A1 learners and beginners. Are you ready? Let's start. Every day, I finish work at 5 o'clock. When my work is finished, I feel happy. I feel tired, but I also feel good. After work, I go to the bus stop. I wait for my bus. The bus comes after a few minutes. Then I get on the bus. I sit by the window. I like to look outside. I see cars. I see people. I see shops and houses. The bus ride is about 20 minutes. I get off the bus. Then I walk home. I walk slowly. I walk to the door. When I arrive near my home, I stand up. When I reach my home, I open the door. I go inside. I take off my shoes. I put my shoes near the door. I put down my bag. I feel relaxed. I say to myself, I am home now. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet evening. I say to myself, I am home now. It feels nice. I take a deep breath. I smile. I stretch my arms a little. My house is peaceful. It is quiet. It feels safe. I like being home after a long day. Next, I go to the kitchen. I am usually hungry in the evening. I open the fridge. I look inside. I think about my dinner. What should I eat? Something warm. Something simple. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables. Sometimes I make pasta. Sometimes I eat a small salad. It depends on the day. It depends on how hungry I am. I take out the things I need. I cut the vegetables. I cook them slowly. I listen to the sound of the pan. I like that sound. It makes me feel calm. When my dinner is ready, I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I drink a glass of water or tea. Warm tea makes me feel good. After dinner, I go back to the kitchen counter. I wash the dishes. I wash the plates. I wash the cups. I wash the spoons and forks. I clean the table. I wipe the stove. I like to keep the kitchen tidy. A clean kitchen makes me happy. When everything is clean, I dry my hands. I feel relaxed again. Now it is time to rest. I go to the living room. I sit on the sofa. The sofa is soft and comfortable. Sometimes I stretch my legs. Sometimes I put a pillow behind my back. In the evening, I do quiet and simple things. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I watch a short video. Sometimes I read a simple book. I light a small lamp. The room looks warm and cozy. I like evenings because they are calm. I like this quiet time. If I am tired, I close my eyes for a few minutes. I take deep breaths. I rest my mind. Even a small rest helps me feel better. Around 9 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush slowly. I brush all my teeth, up, down, left, right. Then I wash my face. I use warm water. Warm water feels nice on my skin. I dry my face with a soft towel. Next, I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are comfortable. They're soft and warm. I feel ready to sleep. Sometimes I also brush my hair. Sometimes I drink a little more water. Sometimes I check the time. Everything is quiet. Everything is calm. Finally, it is time to sleep. I walk to my bedroom. I turn off the lights. My room becomes dark and peaceful. I lie down in my bed. My bed is soft. My pillow is soft too. I pull up my blanket. I feel warm. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I relax my body. I relax my mind. Slowly, I start to feel sleepy. Then I fall asleep. This is my evening routine. I do this every day. This routine helps me feel calm. It helps me rest. It helps me sleep well. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I hope this easy English lesson helps you. Now I want to know about you. What do you do in the evening? Do you cook? Do you rest? Do you study? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.